Matthew 16. The Pharisee and Sadducee people contest Jesus. Them ask am make he show them sign from heaven. But Jesus tell them, when evening reach, una go say the weather go good because the sky red, and for morning una go say rain go fall because the sky red and dark. Una sabi use the sky know how weather go be, but una no fit know the signs about the time wey God talk for him word. Wicked and evil people for this time, they ask for sign, but them no go get anyone except Jonah's sign. Then Jesus come waka leave them. When the disciples cross go the other side, them forget to take bread follow body. Jesus come tell them, make una guide una self against the Pharisee and Sadducee people yeast. So them come they talk among themselves, say, now because we no bring bread, now he make am they talk like this. When Jesus know wetin them they talk, he can't tell them, una faith small o, wetin make una they quarrel with una self say una no take bread follow body. So una never still understand. Una no remember the 5 bread where I take feed 5,000 men and how many basket una gather after them don't chop finish, or the 7 bread for the 4,000 men and how many basket una gather after them don't chop finish too. Why una no understand say I know they talk to una about bread, but na make una for guide una self against wetin the Pharisee and Sadducee people they teach. Then the disciples can't know say no be because of bread make am they warn them, but na because of the things where the Pharisee and Sadducee people they teach. When Jesus Christ reached Caesarea for Philippi area, he can't ask him disciples, now who people say man pikin be? Them answer, some people say you be John the Baptist, others say you be Elijah, and some they say na Jeremiah or one other prophet na him you be. Jesus can't ask them, who una say I be? Simon Peter answer, you be the Messiah, God pikin wey dey alive. Then Jesus tell am, God go bless you Simon, Jonah pikin, because na my Papa for heaven show you this thing, no be human being. And I tell you, you be Peter, wey mean rock, and on top this rock I go build my church, and the gate for hell no go fit scatter am. I go give you heaven key, so that anything where your prayer tie for earth, them go tie am for heaven, and anything where your prayer lose for this earth, them go lose am for heaven. Then Jesus command him disciples make them not tell anybody say na him be the Messiah. From that time go, Jesus come dey tell him disciples say he go must enter Jerusalem where the elders, priests oga them, and the law teachers go suffer and kill am, but for the 3rd day he go wake up. So Peter take Jesus go one corner, come tell am, oga God forbid, this kind thing no go ever happen to you. But Jesus turn face Peter come say, Satan, come out from my front. You be stone wey block road, because your mind no dey for wetin God want, but na wetin man want. Then Jesus tell him disciples, if anybody want follow me, he must deny himself, carry him cross, and follow me. Anybody wey want save him life go lose am, but anybody wey lose him life because of me go gain am. Wetin person go fit gain if the whole world be him own, but he lose him soul? Or wetin person go fit give take pay for him soul? God pikin and him angels go come inside him Papa glory, then he go reward everybody according to their work. I tell una true word, some of una dey here wey no go die before God pikin go come back with him kingdom.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.